If you want to change icon color on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, go to Wallpaper and Style, and then here you want to swipe to the home screen preview. Now we're going to swipe up from this section here to reveal these additional options, and we want to go to Icons. Here, most likely you have the default option selected, and you can switch to Minimal to apply system colors. So if you choose Minimal and then tap on Apply, then you can go to Colors and you can choose the system color, which is going to also change the app icon colors as well. As you can see, as I change these colors, colors for apps also update very easily. There we go. And this is one way to update the appearance of icons, to set colors for them. But what you can also do is, instead of using the minimal style, you can choose a new style based on this create option. So if you go to create here, we have a couple of different styles to choose from. And let's say that I'm gonna use the treasure option here. Here below we have additional prompt which we can slightly customize. So instead of the light background, we can choose the dark background and we can tap on create. Of course, these prompts depend on the style itself. So if I choose these scribbles instead, then here we should be able to make here a change as well. And let's say I'm going to choose iris. Let's create, and there we go. But besides that, if you don't like the appearance of any of these app icons that you have here, you can usually tap on the app icon and you can update it. So you can tap on it and choose create new style, and then the appearance is going to be slightly changed. There we go. And then once you like this set, then you can go ahead and tap on download. Then we can go back into this list of styles and you can choose that style that you just have chosen and tap on apply. And there we go, we have new colors. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.